Good girl come out this morning bright and early because she have to go and meet with her lawyer. You can imagine that we have a lot of things to sit down and discuss about where do we go from here. Now, I seen some of you guys comments and some of you guys are saying, Nads, stay and fight for your child. While some of you guys are saying, Nads, pick up your foot and run. But at the end of the day, I have to make sure that whatever decision I make, it's a decision that I can live with. And it is what it is, people. So, me I go meet with the lawyer. And you don't know that the perfume of the day is the Jean Paul Gaultier. And you know see a sample because yeah, lawyer money enough and all of these things. And a two lawyer may have to get. So, I can't afford big buckle and we now watch no face where I live within our means. And you don't know so I have to go grab my one handbag and out the door. Peace, I'm out. Bye.